If you're looking for a powerful and easy to move around leaf blower, then we've got you sorted right here. This is our 18V XL leaf blower. This blower is perfect for maintaining the gardens and grounds all year round. It's easy to control and obviously minimizes the stress on your arms. It clears the dirt even in tight spaces. The installation of the blowpipe is very easy to fit on, and the rubber grip obviously improves comfort and control obviously during your leaf blower experience. This leaf blower is compatible with all 2 amp and 5 amp batteries. Here's the trigger button, and on the top is the turbo one, which is the second speed. So for example, I'll show you now. As you can see, the turbo button on top is how you get the maximum power. This can do up to 16,000 RPMs and the noise level is only 94 decibels. Shop this now at toolsfortrade.co.uk and please like and subscribe on our channel.